Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy Ethereum tokens on your Trust wallet. In order to buy Ethereum tokens, you'd need to possess Ethereum, of course, and there's no better place to get all the information concerning Ethereum tokens than coinmarketcap.com. So let's open up our browser. And by simply opening up your browser and using coinmarketcap.com, link in the description of the video, we're going to be making use of ApeCoin as a study case. So with ApeCoin, all you need to do is use this task on menu bar, scroll down to the About, copy its Ethereum address, minimize, open up your Trust wallet again, head over to the browser section, which is at this bottom corner of the screen. Click on Uniswap Exchange, give it some time to load up. And once it's loaded in, all you simply need to do is click on Select Token. Either click on Select Token and paste the contract address we just copied. So press and hold, paste, and here we go, ApeCoin. And in order to complete this transaction, your wallet must be connected. So by clicking on this icon right here at the top icon of the screen, you then see an option to leave. This option to leave also shows disconnect as well, but we're not going to disconnect. All you need to do is enter the amount of Ethereum you'd like to swap for the ApeCoin. So let's say we want 0.01. That's $1 worth of the ApeCoin. It's not enough. Let's go with 0.05. $8 worth of the ApeCoin, which is going to now be equivalent to $2 worth of gas fees. So altogether, you're paying $10 for $8 worth of ApeCoin. In order to avoid this kind of excess payments, all you need to do is open up your Binance and you can make the transaction here. You simply deposit any cryptocurrency assets you possess and you just find any of the cryptocurrency assets in this list, deposit, click on convert, select the ape, so APE, ApeCoin, put in any amount you'd like to swap for, and click on complete swap or deposit or whatever. And with that, you'd be able to buy the ApeCoin. But before you can do any of that, you must possess an account on Binance. And in order to do that, with the link in the description of the video, you can simply register and you'd be given a free $100 trading fee rebate, all by clicking that link. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can buy Ethereum tokens on Trust Wallet and you'll be given an answer.